Welcome to another acrylic paint pour session with Ginger. Tonight I'm going to do it a little bit different. I'm going to try the 1 cup pour method, and yeah, which are the colors. I'm going with metallics tonight. No rhyme or reason, just going to throw them in the cup. I am going to start off with a little bit of white paint here to pour first before I pour all of them into 1 cup together. So a little runny, little too runny, but we'll make it work. So we're gonna do that as our base here. Let that run, because it is running. Regardless, it'll look awesome because painting is not supposed to be perfect. So just gonna let that, get that in the corner there a little bit. And there, we're done. All right, so we'll let it stream off like that. Now we're gonna add all of our paints here in no particular order. Gonna start off with some more white at the bottom. I'll go with metallic zinc here. Pour them on top there. Might have to add a little bit of water to thin this out, but we'll see. Go with the blue next. Pretty. Just do that over it. Then we'll do a red, festive red. It's a little thick. That is a little too thick. We'll see. See what happens with this. Throw things around, you know. Oh, what's happening here? Apparently that needed to be shaken up a little bit more. Oh, okay. Oh, welcome back. All right, so I let it spread out a little bit more and grabbed a little bit of water just in case we need it, and got our colors here, and we're ready to start the pour. So we're just gonna tip it in the middle here. Move it all around. Break it up a little bit here. Very slow. Very satisfying to watch. Kind of looks like the ocean a little bit. I'm digging it. Look in the corner. All right, so we just about got every corner. Just that little piece there needs to get paint on, which we're just about there, and we'll be done. All right. We'll help it a little bit. All right, guys, there you have it. The 1 cup paint pour. Pretty easy and looks pretty damn cool, if you ask me. So until next time, have a good night.